All right, so here we go. Here's my video reassessment for um, standard number one on special relativity. Just chose a problem from the homework, basic problem, just to submit something so I could submit something better later. But getting into the problem reads, at t equals 1 second, a firecracker explodes at x equals 10 meters in reference frame s. 4 seconds later, a second firecracker explodes at x equals 20 meters. Reference frame S prime moves in the x direction at a speed of 5 meters per second. What are the positions and times of these two events in reference frame S prime? So basically just drew a diagram here, just to kind of give me a visual representation. So this is my reference frame S. Basically, I drew that the firecrackers explode at 10 meters and 20 meters in reference frame S, not really displaying the time. And here's just, this isn't accurate, but this is just a visual representation so I could see that reference frame S prime is moving basically to the right in the positive X direction at 5 meters per second. And then basically just from the book, all I need really is the Galilean transformations of position. I don't need anything else besides the Galilean transformation of position because that'll give me basically the position of these two events occurring in X prime. So and here I wrote at t equals 0, the two reference frames are both at the origin, basically before the time starts, both reference frame are lined up with one another. As soon as the time starts, reference frame S begins to move in respect to reference frame S. S prime moves in respect to reference frame S. So all right, so basically I know, okay, in reference frame S, event one occurs, happens at x equals 10 meters, and I put here at 1 second. So therefore, to calculate the position in the moving reference frame S prime, I plug in the equation x prime is equal to x minus vt, where x is the position that it happens in S, v is the velocity in which the reference frame is moving at, and time is the time that the event took place. So here, and x is 10 meters, 5 meters per second, 1 second, and therefore I get in reference frame S prime, the event took place at 5 meters at time equal 1 second. Do the same thing for the second event, which occurred 4 seconds later, so it happened at time equal 5 seconds. So therefore, x, like I said in reference frame S, x is equal to 20 meters at time equal 5 seconds because it's 4 seconds later than 1 second. X prime is equal to 20, just plug it into the same equation as the Galilean transformation of position, 20 minus 25. So therefore, in respect to reference frame S prime, the event number 2, or the second event, the second firecracker exploded, it happened at -5 meters in reference to reference frame S prime. And that's it.